Hello traders, we are back again with one more setup, which is EURCAD. So we'll talk about it. Before that, let's check the date and the time right here. Do you fresh? It is 4:37 a.m. Monday 25th of May 2026 in EST. Coming back to my chart. So we entered at this candle. Okay, so I'm recording the video a couple of hours later. I entered long at this candle. Okay, and we are gonna take the profit at this black line around 6101, which is maybe 15 pips away from here on, maybe 16 pips away. Okay, so soon this will be it, and then I'll come back and record the video. So long here, take profit is right here, 6101. And let me see, maybe 40 pips, 30 pips, whatever will happen, I'll come back and record the take profit video. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we are back with the take profit video. So right now you can see we are on EURCAD. So before we discuss this, let's check the date and the time right here. So I'm going to refresh, and currently it is 6:13 a.m. Wednesday 27th of May 2026. I don't know when did I take the trade, maybe on Monday, I don't remember. Okay, but this is today and the trade was closed a couple of hours ago. Coming back here, so we entered long where maybe here, I guess. Yes, somewhere here at this candle. So we entered long at this candle maybe on Monday, and we are out when the price touched my black line with 27 pips. So I can show you the trade here as well. So 6074 is the entry and 6101 is the exit. That is 27 pips exactly. Okay, and 27th of May, today the trade is closed. So that's it. I told you in the beginning that enter long here and exit at the black line, which is exactly what happened. So if you want these setups before they happen, then make sure you join the mentorship program. You will find the first link below this video, or maybe you are already in the sales page or in my Telegram. Wherever you are, go help yourself, join the program, and you can work with me. Till then, see you again.